So are you on your way to Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek here in Orlando, Florida, and you want to take a look at what some of the villas look like? Well, we're going to head in and take a look at our 3-bedroom deluxe villa here in Tower 6. Coming right up. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we head inside here, inside of Building 6, Tower 6, at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek here in Orlando, Florida, right next to Walt Disney World, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, if you don't even happen to own timeshare, but you love these fantastic timeshare resort properties, and you like villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well, I do lots of those. So be sure to subscribe down below. Also, click on that notification bell, select all, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, so we're going to head in here into Tower 6 at Wyndham Bonnet Creek. We're on the 3rd floor here. It is actually that villa right there. Nice extended balcony, and I will show you that towards the end of the video. So let's head inside and head in, and I'll tell you all about this fantastic 3-bedroom deluxe villa. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice when we head into the 3-bedroom deluxe villa here at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek is you're going to enter into the main dining room, kitchen, living area, and we're going to head towards the guest bedroom and bath. But before we get there, we're going to take a look at the in-room laundry, nice size washer and dryer that you have here in this villa at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek. And immediately across from that in-room laundry is a pretty good sized closet. You can hang some coats in here if you need coats while you're in Orlando. It gets pretty hot sometimes. There is some extra bedding in here. Definitely plenty of storage in here. And this is also where they kind of had the trash can. Now, as we continue to head down the hall, we're going to take a look at the guest bathroom. Kind of an interesting setup here. They had a separate vanity area kind of outside the main bathroom. So you do have double vanities here, so more than one person can be getting ready, even though there's just one guest bathroom in this villa. You have the master bath that we'll take a look at here in a little bit, and then this guest bath here. So only 2 bathrooms in the 3-bedroom villas. But this was actually a pretty nice bathroom. You'll notice kind of as we're going through this villa tour that this is not a renovated room. So this does look like it is maybe a little bit older in the terms of style, and you may have potentially even seen some other videos, some other photos of renovated villas here at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek. But you do have a good sized tub with shower here in this guest bathroom, a single vanity, toilet, you know, pretty much everything you need in a guest bathroom. What could be better except for maybe a 3rd bathroom in a 3-bedroom villa? Okay, so now heading out of the guest bathroom, we're going to take a look at one of the guest bedrooms. The first guest bedroom, I guess we could say, this one looks to have 2 double beds in here. Pretty nicely decorated, but like I said earlier, kind of a little bit older style in here, but definitely well kept, well cleaned, in good shape. A nightstand here between the 2 beds. Also has an alarm clock, but I never even use those. Most of the time isn't even right on them. And also in here is a fairly small closet. Not really a whole lot in here, just a place to kind of hang up some clothes that we never even really use this at all. There is also kind of a dresser here to put some clothes in with a pretty small television. I have to admit, the televisions at Club Wyndham are a little bit disappointing. Now, as we continue to take a look at the 2nd guest bedroom here in this 3-bedroom villa, I want to tell you about an exciting opportunity to save some money if you're looking to come here for your next trip, your next visit to the Orlando area. Partnering with Koala, we are offering you the opportunity to save $50 on your next stay when you book with them. Go-koala.com. Take a look. They have lots of inventory at Club Wyndham and lots of other timeshare resorts around the world. Koala is a website where owners can go and list their timeshares that they're not able to use for rent to save you considerable amounts of money versus booking direct. So again, go-koala.com and use promo code Koala Loves Jeremy at the time of booking to save yourself $50. Certain restrictions do apply, and this is a limited time offer, so I will put all the details in the description box below. So we've now made our way back out into the main living area, and you're looking at a pretty good sized dining room table, but a little bit disappointing here. They only had 6 chairs for what is a 3-bedroom villa, and also a pretty small kitchen. Not too big, not too small. You do have your full set of appliances, both large and small. Blender, coffee pot, you have a microwave oven, regular range and oven, full storage refrigerator, and a dishwasher here as well. So really, if you want to cook in, save yourself considerable amounts of money versus eating and dining at Walt Disney World, you can pretty much have all your meals here, or even just save some money by maybe even cooking breakfast in the mornings. There is dinnerware and plateware in the cupboards for up to 12 people, which, go figure, they only had room for 6 at that dining room table. But I guess I did forget to kind of point out, they do have 3 bar stools at the bar that pulls up to the kitchen counter. Alright, so now it's time to make our way into and take a look at the living room here. You do have a couple of chairs and a large sleeper sofa that you can definitely take advantage of in this 3-bedroom villa. Definitely a lot of room in here to sit back and relax, and perhaps even watch the television here on the wall, which again is a pretty good size, but definitely not up to par with some of the other resorts that we've stayed in, but definitely a good size Samsung television here mounted on the wall. Now into the master bedroom, where you do have a full king-size bed in here, a couple of nightstands, as well as another flat screen television atop a dresser. And just like the guest bedrooms, there is a closet in here as well with a luggage rack, and this is also where you're going to find the in-room safe where you can lock up any valuables that you care to do so with. Alright, so now that we've taken a look at the master bedroom, it's time to move into the master bath. You do have a good size tub here, a nice soaking tub. No jets, it didn't look like, but a nice soaking tub here to take advantage of maybe after a long day walking around the parks in the Florida heat. But this is a good sized bathroom. Again, kind of like the guest bathroom, you do have kind of a split vanity setup. You do kind of have this vanity area outside the main bathroom, so it is kind of handy where 2 people are able to kind of get ready at the same time. Definitely I do kind of actually like the way they've done that here. With only having 2 bathrooms, you can have 4 people getting ready at the same time. Now moving into the main bathroom area, this is where you're going to find, like I said, another vanity, the toilet, as well as a walk-in shower. Okay, that just about does it for the inside of this beautiful 3-bedroom villa here at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek. Let's head out towards the balcony because I think you might be in for a bit of a surprise. I've made my way now out to the balcony of our 3-bedroom deluxe villa here at Wyndham Bonnet Creek, and I have to admit, this balcony is pretty big. I'm actually standing under a pretty nice overhang here, so it's really large, a lot of room. We have like, what, 3 lounge chairs, another kind of just sitting chair there, another one here, 2 more over there in the corner, so lots of seating out here. Now I will point out, this is a unique balcony here at Bonnet Creek because we are actually on the 3rd floor, and looking up above us, they just kind of have more standard balconies here, but the one down below us is kind of similar to ours. It is really large as well, and theirs would actually be 100% covered as well, so it's kind of a good thing. This is actually so huge. I almost kind of feel like royalty here, walking out onto this. Maybe as people standing down there, I can wave to my peeps. I just need to learn how to wave like a royal, maybe, right? Hello, my peeps. Hello. Anyway, the balcony here is magnificent. The other balconies actually look pretty good themselves as well, just not nearly as big as the one we are on. But yeah, there you have it, the 3-bedroom deluxe villa tour here at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek in Orlando, Florida. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. To see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Wyndham Bonnet Creek, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they think you're going to like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.